let's go over what POV means on Instagram. Now, you might have seen other people post reels or stories or posts, and they use POV or they have a hashtag for POV. I'm going to walk you through what it means, how people use it, all of those different things. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. So I'm going to open up Instagram here, and we'll just search for POV. So I'm going to hit the search button at the bottom left. And at the top, hit search, and I am going to search for POV. Now, if I go over to tags here, let's tap on that, and then let's tap on the hashtag POV. Now, what POV stands for is point of view. So typically this is used for people that want to show photos or videos in their point of view. So it's basically as if you had the camera in your eye and you're taking a picture at exactly what you're looking at. So for example, on this building here, you can see it is their point of view of the building. So it's kind of looking up. They're probably standing in front of that building. If you scroll through here, all of these different photos and everything, it's usually in relation to a camera angle that is not typically used for taking, photos of portraits or anything else. It's kind of your visual point of view wherever you're standing, whatever you're doing. So you might have seen this on TikTok, on Instagram. People do this for cooking a lot of times where it's kind of looking down at the bowl as they're mixing all that stuff. That is POV or point of view. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.